Hi guys, and welcome back to class. In this lesson we're going to be looking at animating properties like scale, the opacity and position. So let's do this together. This is going to be more of practicals than theoretical, that I get to explain a lot of things. So in this video I want to achieve a little bit of motion coming in together, and at the same time I also want the zoom in zoom out feature to be active, and I want the opacity to actually increase as we move into the video. So what I'll be doing is, the first thing I'll be doing is going to my effects control, and under opacity I'll be creating a keyframe at the beginning, and I'll be naming these. This is going to be 0, and as we move on I'm going to change this to 100, which is the highest value. So when I take this back and I begin to move this position, no, not the position, I'll be moving the scale first. So the scale I'll be moving first, I will have to take this to a further extent, and I'll actually be zooming in, and as I zoom in I'm going to set my scale keyframe, and I'll go back and use 100 as my initial scale. And when I do that, I would also now be keyframing the position. So I want this lady to move to this side of the frame as I move forward. So what I'll be doing here is I would actually come to this point and actually scale this point to this level. Actually take this to this level, and yes, I'll just leave it this way and set my keyframe. So I'll be taking this back, and I'll be taking it back to the initial properties or parameters, and I'll be using the reset button. So when I use the reset button, you can see that we have a totally new keyframe right here. So when I play this, this is what I have. Okay, now this is not as cinematic as I thought it would be. So another thing I will be doing right here is I will be extending the spacing between these two, and for the opacity I will be expanding that. So I will just want them to come in slowly, and let's see what this gives us. You can see how this flows with the level of the breeze and how they come together. So if I want the keyframes to go flow more, I'll use temporal interpolation, and I'll use the easy ease or the continuous bezier, and I'll also use the continuous bezier for beginning as well. Continuous bezier all through, so we can have a more smooth animation. So when I play this, this is what we have: smooth, cozy, and yep, there we go. Amazing animation that we have right here. So that will be all for this class. So bye for now, see you in the next lesson.